When it comes to vinyl top restoration, one of the key ingredients is the molding surrounding them. They're likely missing, corroded, or just damaged in general. When it's time to replace, you'll be happy to hear we've got a perfect reproduction kit. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 to 72 Chevelle vinyl top molding kits. Our 7-piece kit features everything you need. The end units are manufactured from die-cast metal, while the longer moldings are professionally reproduced stamped aluminum. All parts use case-hardened steel tooling to ensure the authenticity and fitment identical to the original. You'll be happy you chose us. At the end of the production line, our corner end moldings are finished with a brilliant chrome plating. The longer aluminum moldings are finished with a clear coat anodizing for protection against corrosion. You'll be able to count on your moldings to last a long time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.